In this video, I'm going to show you how to get an OP auto clicker on Mac. So forget any shady websites, all you need to do just go and open the App Store. Look for OP auto clicker and you'll have to download, as you can see, this one on the top left, OP auto clicker. Once you download it, just go and open it up and it will work as any other auto or basically clicker as it works in Windows if you tried the one before. So you can first of all check the click interval and you can select how many hours or for how many minutes, how many seconds, how many milliseconds it will keep clicking. So if you wanted to click every 200 milliseconds, you can simply select it from there and leave it as it is. You can simply choose also an interval at a random range. You can choose the minimum and the maximum range. So sometimes it will click, as example, between, let's say we choose the minimum as example 0 or 100 milliseconds and the max is 1000. So sometimes it will click at 200, sometimes it will click at 300, sometimes at 1000, sometimes it's 100, depending on what you choose. So you have the click interval to set a specific amount of time to be clicked automatically, and you have the interval random and you will have to set a range and it will basically keep clicking between that range. So on the left here, you can choose the mouse button to be clicked, the left or the right. And here you can choose on the right if you want it to be repeated a certain amount of time or repeated until you stop it or not. And of course, from here, you have at the bottom, you have it stopped at the moment. You can click on start to start clicking. And you have even the start or start/stop hotkeys. You can record the shortcuts, as example, and set up whatever shortcuts that you want. Just make sure to add it to the list of allowed programs and accessibility. Allow the application basically to control your computer because it will click, of course, with your mouse. And of course, for the mouse button, they have the left and right and also the center or middle click, just in case if you want the middle click auto clicker instead of the right or left. And of course, this one is a little bit different than the Windows one, so you don't choose where it will be clicking. You will just have to take your mouse to the position that you want it to be clicking and leave it there and it will click. So you cannot choose the exact location where it will click like in other Windows apps that you can even choose the position for that. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.